We got fresh coffee here, guys. Heading out in the morning. Car's looking good. Going out here. I'll let you guys know. This is gonna be road trip adventure number 1. Not gonna want to miss this one. Packed up, ready to go. Guys, what is up? We're in Grand Junction, Colorado right now. We're about to do a short little road trip with the Alpha, so I just wanted to give you guys some content on that. And yeah, we're gonna go get some gas right now. We just had some breakfast, a little bit of coffee. Just leaving our hotel right now, getting the day started. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, coming out of Grand Junction. And look at that view right there. Pretty cool, guys. And that's not even like any good stuff yet. So we're gonna do a quick wash here of the car. We drove about 4 hours or so last night. Unfortunately, couldn't get any footage because it was dark out. So we just want to wait till the morning. So we're gonna wash some of this dirt and all these bugs off the car, even though we're gonna be driving for a while still. Alright guys, we're pulling up at the gas station right now. So up here we made it on 1 tank of gas. I think it's about 250 miles or so. We still have half a tank left. Let's see how much it costs to fill up. We got some $3.89 here, so it's not too bad. It should only cost like $25 or so. We should be good for another 400 miles. Alright. Let's see how much that got us. Yep, full tank. 455 miles. See how far we are? Alright guys, we're 2 hours away. You can go head out the window, babe. We made it to our first location. This was only like 20 minutes, I'd say, from our hotel. We went and got some fuel, and here we are. Colorado National Monument. My girlfriend's over there doing her girly things. And yeah, this is the entrance to the park. And I've been up here one time, a long time ago, and I remember it being super cool. So let's see how the car does up here. We just changed the brakes and rotors, and then we have brand new tires all the way around too. We're running some Hankook V12 Evo 2s. So we got those, and I wouldn't really recommend those for road trip wise, but they do pretty good in the canyons and whatnot. So it's a pretty nice weekend out here in Colorado, so not worried about any snow or any of that. But here is the map. Looks like we are right here. And I don't know, babe, how far should we go? Should we go like all the way?
All the way.
Yeah, it's really cool. Like, this is going up, and then once we get up here, I think this is about on the top of the tabletop up there, or the mountain, or whatever you want to call it. And it goes all the way through. I've never gone all the way through. I just went last time. I went like maybe halfway. Travel vlogs. Woo! Sneezes. left the national park. We're out here. We got a big motorcycle squad passing us, and we're about 2 hours away from Telluride now. Hardly use any gas. Trekking along. All right, guys. So just wanted to go over some punctuality for road trip stuff. Trunk room, we got pretty decent size, I would say. If you come down here, you can see we got a couple bags in here. It doesn't go back too far, but the back seats do go down. So got a little bit of decent size for like luggage and whatnot. Rear seats, pretty good size as well. We got some car seats and stuff back there right now, but good size for some passengers. Shit! Holy shit! Shit! Damn, I don't know what happened over there. Anyhow, interior of the car, I'd say this is a super comfortable for long drives. It's like sporty enough to keep you like awake. Stop for some snacks. Still good on fuel. Got about an hour and a half left, so. He's gonna attack you. Well, guys, we finally made it up here in Telluride. So it's about a 6-hour trip all the way around. We finally got up here. We've been exploring a bit and whatnot. We're gonna go walk around a little bit more and yeah, enjoy the time up here. So I'm vlogging for my girlfriend because she feels tired, but we're out here getting ready to go on the gondola. So see which one to go up and down. Summer trip 2024. Guys, well, we made it up here. We had some fun. Alpha did great. We're about to head back down. We got a 6-hour drive back down to Denver, so we're gonna get going with that. But the weather's been beautiful today. The car's been great. I mean, super cool up here. If you've never been, definitely recommend coming up here. But yeah, we're gonna start heading back down, and that's that.